Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove public profile on Snapchat. But before I begin, can you please subscribe to my channel? It helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up Snapchat, then go to the top left on your profile, and if I scroll down, as you can see, I have my public profile, and from there I can just go to edit and show subscriber count, location, preview profile. But if you really don't want it anymore, click on the top right on these three dots, and from there you have clear public profile, and from there you click on clear, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know in the comments down below.